Welcome. We will discuss area by the method of integration. What it means? Let us see. Suppose this is a graph of fx. This is the line x equals to a. This is another line x equals to b. Integral of a to b fx dx. It means area enclosed by the curve fx, the ordinate x equals to a, the ordinate x equals to b and y axis. That means this area. This is the main principle of area calculation by integration. Now let us see, this is the principle, how we will apply it. Let us assume we are drawing a graph of, this is called y square equals to 4x, and this is another parabola which is known as x square equals to 4ay. Let us assume we are interested to calculate the area enclosed by these two curves. That means this area. This area we are interested to calculate. How to calculate these things? First, let us find this point of intersection of these two curves. We can easily solve these two equations, x square equals to 4ay and y square equals to 4ax. By solving these two equations, we can easily get x equals to 4a and y equals to 4a. By putting, you can check it. 4a into 4a will be 4a whole square. This side also 4a whole square. Here also it is same thing. So this point is 4a comma 4a. From here, if we are drawing an ordinate, so this point will be, equation of this line will be x equals to 4a. Now we can give some names. See, our required area is, we can write in this type O, C, B, D, O. It is, I am starting from O and ending to include, it implies that it's a closed curve. This area we are interested to find. But this one equals to, see this one, this whole area, that means area O, A, B, D, O. This represents this whole area. Minus, we can subtract this white portion. That means area of O, A, B, C, O. If we can subtract this to area, we are getting this shaded area. So what it means? Area OACDO. This is equals to integral of 0 to 4a. By this curve, what is this curve? Y square equals to 4ax. So y equals to root of 4ax dx minus area of this curve. This is x square equals to 4ay, so y equals to x square by 4a. So again 0 to 4a x square by 4a dx. This, whatever be the calculation of this one, that will be our answer. This calculation is not difficult, anyone can do it who is knowing integration. So see this one, this is root 2 root a is coming outside from 0 to 4a, it is root x dx minus 0 to 4a, here it is, no, here 1 by 4a is coming outside x square dx. This one also you are knowing, it is 2 root a into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to 4a minus this is 1 by 4a or x cube by 3 again from 0 to 4a. This one, as you know, equals to 2 root a into 2 by 3, 4a to the power 3 by 2 minus 0, I am not writing, minus 1 by 12a 4a whole cube. Again dot 0, it will be 0, so I am not writing. So this becomes 4 root a by 3 into 4 to the power 3 by 2 means 2 square into 3 by 2 a to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12a 4 cube is, it is 64 a cube. This is 2 cube is 8. 8 for the 32 by 3 a to the power half into a to the power 3 by 2, that is a square, minus here if we are cutting 416 43 a square. So how much it will come? 16 a square by 3. Okay. So it is ultimately coming 16 a square by 3. This is our required area. I think I can able to explain how to calculate. Thank you.